Hi everyone, I started making my big Kawandi quilt. I'm using old bed sheet. It's not very old, but because it's too small for our bed, so I will just use it for the backing. I'm using only one layer this time because the fabric is pretty thicker than the wool fabric, the mulmul that I'm using in my previous Kawandi. So this time I'll just using one layer. I hope it will turn out okay. And for the border I'm using this jelly rolls scrap which I have in my stash. And since the edges of this batches is already done, it makes my work easier. So I just need to fold the top of the jelly roll, this, and then just start sewing. And then the shorter edge I just fold it like this, around half an inch, and then I bury the knot under here so it won't show at the back. And then I'll just do a running stitch around quarter inch the length of the stitch or so. You can use a smaller one or bigger one, is up to you. And so the patches is already pre-washed, so I don't have to worry if the color runs or not. So that's all. I will post more update when I'm working on it later on. So stay tuned, and if you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll try to answer all your questions. Okay, thank you, and stay tuned. Bye bye.